Welcome to Gears Canada, where your adventure is our mission. Introducing the windproof and waterproof bandana from Gears, your ultimate solution for a more comfortable and enjoyable ride, no matter your choice of power sports or snow sports. This isn't just any bandana. Crafted with a triple layer fabric, it combines comfort, protection, and style like nothing else out there. The outer layer is 100% breathable cotton, soft to the touch and gentle against your skin. Beneath that lies our Milair membrane barrier, delivering top-notch windproofing and waterproofing without sacrificing breathability. On the inside, a polar fleece lining wicks away sweat and keeps you warm, making long rides more comfortable than ever. As someone who's spent years battling the elements on two wheels, I can tell you that gear like this makes all the difference. Unlike other bandanas that skimp on materials, ours offers true breathability through all three layers. No more compromises between comfort and protection. Whether you're a motorcyclist, snowmobiler, or ATV enthusiast, this bandana is designed to be your go-to face and neck cover. Its unisex, one-size-fits-all design and simple hook and loop closure ensure a perfect fit for everyone. Plus, with a classic paisley pattern available in black, blue, pink, and red, you can choose the color that suits your style. Add to cart and seize your adventure.